Here's how to assemble and disassemble a Klean Kanteen Cafe Cap 2. You start with the top and the swivel bit, and you want to line up those holes so you can see straight through. That means it's going to be the lowest it can be. Keeping a finger on it, you're swiveling the first top piece and pressing it down, and eventually it'll click. There's well, not click, but it won't turn anymore. Then you take the next piece down, and all the while still press that down, and then finally you're taking the small bottom bit. That's where the most wear is. If you had this closed, if you had it at the closed position, you wouldn't be able to screw it in properly, so you need to keep it at the open position. And that's it, that's done. Clicks and doesn't click. And to disassemble, for say for example put in the dishwasher, again put it to the open position, take off the first bit, and the rest of it you just press. And something comes off, and everything else just nicely pulls apart.